Hi, welcome back to Repairing Lawnmowers for Profit. In this very short video I'm going to show you how to remove the spark plug on this Mountfield RS100 engine. This is a Mountfield HP414 Petrol lawnmower and it's got a terrible design, so you can see here a lot of people are having the problem of removing the spark plug. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You see here, you can't actually get your finger in this part here and pull the spark plug off very well. Even with all my effort I can't do it. And this horrible part here is really sharp. So if you're having problems with your lawnmower and you're removing your spark plug, if you look in the top right hand corner of your screen now, I've actually done a full service video on this RS100 engine, so you may want to click that out. I'll also put a link to that full service video at the end of this video in a video card and in the description below the video. So we'll get straight on with this. To remove the spark plug, as I've said, we can't get in there. The easiest way to get the spark plug off on this RS100, which is a 100cc engine, is to just remove these three nuts here from the recoil. So you'll need a 10mm spanner, and you will need a socket as well, because it's so awfully designed that you can't just do it with a spanner. So you can get a spanner on the back two nuts here at the top. There's only two at the top here, and you need a socket here like this, and you can undo this top one. All you've got to do is just undo these like this. You can probably just do them with your fingers once you've got them undone a little bit. You can't actually get a spanner even in there because it's like sat in a little recess here, which is a pain. And if you're having problems with the mower, please check out that video as well. There's a full thing, it'll help you get these mowers running again. There's usually not too much wrong with these, and you don't want to spend over £100 replacing your lawnmower. So there's a good chance if you're watching this video and you're looking to replace a spark plug, it's because your lawnmower won't start, and that video will help you out. And eventually I get that actual top bolt off there. This whole recoil just moves out of the way. You can set that to one side. That'll give you whole access here to this spark plug. Here you actually get your hand in now, and you can just about, with a little bit of force, remove this spark plug lead. Even now it's still tight, so I had no chance of getting that off with the recoil cover on. So I'll move that over to the side there. I'm going to use two hands, and eventually it comes off. This isn't a normal size spark plug either, so you'll need probably a set of box spanners to get off this spark plug because it's so close to the overhead valve cover. So to remove the spark plug on this mower, you need a 16mm spanner, or a box spanner like this is ideal. It's not a normal size spark plug, so you probably can just about get in with a 16mm spanner. Yeah, you can. So that's not too bad, and that's how you remove the spark plug on this Mountfield 414 lawnmower with this RS100 engine. Really long thread on a spark plug as well. Now the correct spark plug for this actual engine, you want an NGK spark plug. I use these all the time, I've never had a bad one. The part number you want is an NPBC PR5ES. Now you don't need to remember all those numbers, because in the description of this video I'm going to link to a really good price on these NGK spark plugs that are the actual correct spark plug for this Mountfield mower. So take a look in the description of this YouTube video and you will find the correct spark plug. If you just want to try replacing this on your Mountfield lawnmower, you can find that part underneath this video. So hopefully this video has helped you out. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, and if you look here just above my finger, you'll see a video card to a full service video on this RS100 Mountfield engine. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.